Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to enhance vocals in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a video with some audio on my timeline that I'd like to enhance. Right now, you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Begin by going up to the Audio tab, which will open up the Essential Audio panel. Be sure to have your audio clip on your timeline selected, then come back up to your Essential Sound panel. Select the type of sound you're working with. In this case, mine is dialogue. To start with, I suggest trying out one of the presets to save yourself a lot of time. Balanced male or female or podcast voice are all good effects to start with. We'll start with balanced male in this case. Right now, you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Right now, you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. This sounds pretty good, but now let's reset it back to its defaults and make our own enhancements, starting with the loudness. Simply click Auto Match and Premiere will set your loudness to an optimal level. Right now, you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Now let's look at clarity. Tick the Dynamics radio box and you can drag the slider to adjust it while you play it back. Right now, you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Next, let's look at the EQ. I typically prefer one of the subtle boost presets or the podcast voice, as these bring a nice clarity to the vocals. In this case, we're going to select subtle boost male. Right now, you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. That sounds ideal. Lastly, if you wish to enhance your speech a little bit further, you can tick Enhance Speech. The settings here are self-explanatory, so in my case, I'll go with male. The enhanced speech effect can sometimes be a little bit too much enhancement for some voices. It is very much based on preference. Right now, you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Once you've found a suitable voice effect, you can simply save it by going up to the Save button next to Preset, typing in your name, clicking OK, then you can select it again from the drop-down list in future. Now you know how to quickly enhance your voice straight within Premiere. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.